Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add progress bar in circle layout in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see progress bar in circle layout. We are going to add it. So first we are going to install plugin. Now go to add plugin and then write essential add-ons for Elementor. So we are using this plugin. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to page. Now in search widget write here progress bar. Now you see progress bar and then you see EA. So drag and drop it like this. Now you see edit progress bar, layout, drop down. Now select circle. Now you see title. So you can add title, and then you see counter value type, dynamic, static. So you can set value according to requirement, and then you see counter value. Now you see progress bar 78%, display count, enable or disable, it's up to you. Animation duration. Now go to style. Now you see alignment. Now you see size. So you can increase it, background color, stroke width. Now you see, and then you see stroke color. So you can set according to requirement. Now you see fill color. And then you see box shadow, typography. Now you see title color. So you can set title color, inner title. Now you see pencil icon. So you can set font family, weight, transform, style, font size according to requirement. Now you see counter. And then you see counter circle. So you can set color scheme according to requirement and then click on publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.